This case really isn't about tipped workers and minimum wage. It's about whether the legislature can adopt what would have been on the ballot for voters to vote on, and then within the same legislative session, gut it. Supreme Court said the legislature can only act once, not twice.
That's correct.
That's within the same legislative session. Mark Brewer is the attorney representing the tipped workers. He's very happy about this decision because he says it will be more money for tipped workers. Will this decision mean that tipped workers can get a higher salary and keep their tips?
Yes.
Joe Vicari, who owns Andiamo's, Joe Muir's, and many other restaurants, said this: the Supreme Court ruling is now a nail in the coffin for a lot of restaurants in that they can't afford the results of this decision. Do you worry that people going out to restaurants will tip less because they know that these people are, getting a lot of money?
I think once people understand this, the tipping will continue. But at that point, these workers won't have to rely upon tips to live.
Brewer says similar rulings that have allowed restaurant workers minimum wages and tips in Chicago and Washington, D.C. are doing just fine.